2 blind bags of Fingerlings minis. Be sure to like if you like them. They are serious too. There are 3 surprises. I have scissors just in case. And there you can collect all 48. So, let's just get started. But before we do, I want you guys to see Silly Said stinky washable markers in the corner. Good job, and whenever you're done, comment #Fingerlings. So now, let's open the blue one first. Let's see what we get. Ooh, it's a purple monkey. And a cute little charm with a bracelet. Let's put that here. Let's see which one we got. So, legendary, rare. I think it's popular. Which one did we get? We got Kara. What a pretty name. And it's really cute. You can even put these on your pencil or your pinky. These are really cute. So now let's open the next one. But before we do, you guys just have to watch the must-watch playlist up at the corner. But before we do that, you have to see the monkey go on the pencil. Cool. And also, whenever you go to that playlist must watch, comment #Fingerlings, and it will appear how to spell right here in the corner somewhere, or in the middle. So let's open. Which one did we get? I wonder which one we did get. I think it's blue and pink. Let's cut up some more. Ooh, look which one we got. It even has a bow. Let's see what this one has. This one has hearts. This one has a bow. Let's test it on the pencil. It looks cool. What about this one? What if it can do it at the bottom? So which Fingerling did we get? It's really cute. Maybe it's a rare one? I don't know. Look which one we got here. Let's see the other one, the other side. So it looks like we got Harley. Right here. She's really cute. I can't wait to play with them. And now let's see what the other surprises were. So we also got another bracelet. And what kind of card did we get? It's a yellow heart. Really cool. But now we have got to put on the bracelets. So now we have 2 new bracelets and 2 new Fingerlings. How great is that? And these could probably be its beds, which is really cute. So guys, it is the end of the video now. I hope you like it. If you have got to the end of the video, comment #like whenever you have, like right now, please. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!